Malamang marami na sa inyo ang nakapag-celebrate na ng Father's Day last week. Nandyan ang pagpunta sa mga restaurants kasama ang buong pamilya o kaya mga kaibigan ni tatay o pagbibigay ng regalo sa haligi ng tahanan. Pero kung hindi nyo pa nagawa ang mga ito, not all is lost dahil June pa naman and you can still give your dad something special like something sweet from Sweetness Overload.
Well, Sweetness Overload offers different kinds of pastries, cakes, and we also have dessert buffets for special events. And we also offers giveaways and souvenirs. Cheesecake talaga. And to be specific is yung mga cakes na nasa jars for souvenirs. Ayun talaga yung trademark ng Sweetness Overload. For Father's Day, we decided to offer yung cake in a jar. Kasi aside na, ayun talaga yung pinaka-products namin, you can make it personalized. You can have your own message for your father. You can also put yung mga pictures nyo together. Yan yung parang matatouch sila pag na-receive sila na, ay, talagang para sa akin to kasi personalized. We also have yung mga nasa cans na cakes. Genuine happiness kasi yung gusto naming maramdaman ng mga fathers or yung pagbibigyan ng mga products namin kung sino yung makaka-receive nito.
At may isa pang dahilan kung bakit sweet ang dapat ibigay kay tatay.
Kasi masyado ng usual kapag yung binigay natin yung mga like belts, necktie, may mga handkiss pa yan, mga sapatos, diba? Parang for the past years kasi ayun na yung nare-receive nila. Although, kapag may mga special events, sobrang common na din naman na meron tayong mga cakes. But, yun nga, parang Sweetness Overload once, na parang, like what I've said, it's made with love. Na parang, yung ma-receive nila, parang, I want it kasi na parang, yung satisfaction and yung happy tummy yung makaka-receive or makakakain nito.
So in this month of June, overload your father with love and overload him with sweetness, like the ones you can get at Sweetness Overload.
Okay guys, if you want to order from Sweetness Overload, you may find us at Sweetness Overload 8 sa aming Facebook and aming Instagram account. Or if you want to call us, our Viber number is 0915-7669-769.